Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a scene of a sunny beach day where two siblings are playing in water and their mother is yelling at them. A memory drawing of a sunny summer day on a beach. Let's get started. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4, A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSMC experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your memory retention, study of human figure and anatomy, visualization skills. For today's artistry trivia, which traditional art form involves intricate paintings on cloth? Artists use natural pigments and fine brushes to depict vibrant mythological scenes, religious motifs, and rural life. Hint: it's from Odisha. Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. Let's capture the playful and vibrant sunny day on a beach, drawing together. We will start by placing the characters by drawing their outlines. We will draw the human body using simple shapes. To draw faces, use oval shapes. We will draw the torso using curved rectangle and the limbs using cylinders. Remember to always keep the proportions in check and the shapes as simple as possible. Our first character has arms up in the air enjoying the day, so draw the arms outstretched. After you are done with the basic shape, draw the costume of the character. Costume is also very important in all the sketches because it automatically establishes the story of the character. Now let's draw our second character who is splashing water on our first character, so accordingly, draw the character as she is female. Draw her costume as a skirt. As they are both on the beach, so draw water around them and draw water splash shapes near the second character's hands. Now to add more feel to the sketch, let's add their mother in the scene yelling them to come out of the water. As she is standing far away on the land, draw her proportionally shorted with one arm outstretched in the air. So now we are done with the characters, so let's get started with the background details. Add various details like sand castles, trees, bushes, clouds, and anything else that reminds you of a sunny beach day. Make sure to keep the background simple to pull attention towards the main action. Coming back to our characters, let us add more details like hair and expressions on their faces. Add happy and carefree expressions on the children's face and a little angry expression on the mother's face. Give a pat on your back for finishing the sketch. And now let's start with the fun part, coloring. Carefully color the sketch and make sure it doesn't get out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our beach scene. As you shade, envision the sunlight casting its glow on trees and bushes along with our characters. Blend the colors to make it livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, a sunny beach day in our memory. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. The right answer is Pattachitra. A traditional art form involves intricate paintings on cloth. Artists use natural pigments and fine brushes to depict vibrant mythological scenes, religious motifs, and rural life. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Want to enhance your skills more? Then don't forget to check our website CSMC Training to get advanced training. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.